Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Veronica. So today I have a shopping haul for you guys. I haven't used any of these products yet because I've been collecting them for a while. And I want to go ahead and do this video for you guys because I want to go ahead and use them already. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more videos. And don't forget to click the little bell notification. That way you guys could get my newest uploads when I go ahead and upload a new video. So enough talking, let's go ahead and get right to the video. So this haul is going to be from different stores, not just only Ulta. I've been collecting a lot of my makeup, a lot of the purchases that I have been making on makeup and other items. It's not only makeup, it's different items that I purchased. First thing that I purchased was from Ulta. Well, I should say, I'm going to go ahead and do the Ulta Beauty things that I purchased at Ulta. So one of the things that I purchased at Ulta is this mascara. And it's the Lash Stiletto Ultimate Length Mascara. Waterproof in very black, and it's Maybelline. So I got some new mascaras because I've been using the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara from L'Oreal. And I love that mascara so much. But I recently ran out of it. And I wanted to go ahead and branch out to different mascaras. So so I seen this one and it kind of caught my eye. I really like lengthened mascaras, and this one is a lengthened mascara, so I got this one and I'm excited to try it. Next I got another mascara, and it's the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Mascara, and it's in waterproof as well, and I got it in the very black Nor Intense color. And this one, I've heard good reviews about it and I wanted to go ahead and test it out, so I bought this one. And Maybelline had a, well, not Maybelline, I should say Ulta had a deal going on. If you purchase 2 things of Maybelline, then you will get the third one for free. Then I got this beauty blender for free because they had the buy 2 get 1 free. And this one's the Maybelline New York Face Studio well, it's not beauty blender, but it's blender. I haven't used any different type of beauty blender than the Beauty Blender brand one. I always wanted a black one because I feel like it wouldn't get dirty, but this one is a different shape than the beauty blender that I have. I just have the normal beauty blender, and I wanted to go ahead and test this one out, so I grabbed this for my free item with Ulta Beauty. This is what it looks like. It has a pointy edge, but it also has like a little round part in the bottom, and it's kind of flat. And then it has this kind of, I'm gonna say like teardrop type of cutoff. And then I feel like this is going to be great for setting your concealer or blending out your concealer. So I'm kind of excited to try this. Now, I usually use my beauty blenders damp. So right now it feels kind of a bit dense. But once I wet it, I'm hoping that it gets a little bit more flexible like the beauty blender. That way I could go ahead and blend well. Now the next purchase that I purchased from Ulta Beauty is my Clarisonic brush head for my Clarisonic, and I actually got a different brush. I was using the deep pour brush, I believe, head brush, but this one's the acne cleansing brush head, and I heard good reviews about this, so I went ahead and purchased this one, and I'm gonna test it out. So the next purchase that I made at Ulta Beauty is a new item that I seen on this YouTuber video, which is, I believe, Beauty Bird. She raved about it, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get it because I want to try it. And it's the Finishing Touch Flawless Facial Hair Remover, and it looks like this. Okay, I wanted to try this because I have facial hair. I have fuzz on my face, and I usually shave it off, but I heard her review on this gadget and I'm super excited to use it. So the next item that I purchased was from my local supermarket, and they have a little section where they have their drugstore makeup, and I usually go when I go grocery shopping, I usually go and down the aisle to see what's new or to see what they have. And this time around they had the LA Colors True Matte Long Wearing High Pigment Foundation. I was super excited to see this. I love matte foundations, but not to mention when you can get a still on the foundation and it works very well, I get so excited. So the color that I got was Warm Honey. Then I ran across their matte liquid lipsticks. Well, they're matte liquid lip colors, and I got 3 of them because these 3 I just fell in love with, and on top of that I really don't own any colors like this, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you guys. And this color is called Suede. Hopefully the color can pick up. It's such a beautiful color. You guys can see this is Suede. It's like a nude brown. Next color that I picked up was Sultry, and it's more on the pinkish brownish kind of color, and it's the second one that I'm showing you the swatch. Look at that. That's so pretty. It feels very, very nice on my arm. I don't know how it's gonna feel on my lips, but really, really nice. Now this one is called Eclipse, purplish kind of color, the last one right here, and it's so beautiful. Like, and they're basically all like nude. Now the last purchase that I made was at Nordstrom Rack. It's the Too Faced Beach Bunny Custom Blend Bronzer. If you guys haven't seen this bronzer, it's such a beautiful bronzer. I love this bronzer. It just gives you such a nice glow to the face, and I'm actually wearing it right now. I use it during winter, during summer, during spring. That's how much I love it. But if you guys could see this glow that I have, it's actually because of this bronzer. It's so beautiful. If you guys could see on my finger, it's such a beautiful bronzer. And I got it for $10. I seen it, I was like, no, I gotta get this, because I actually paid $30 for it at Ulta Beauty when they were having an event, a Too Faced event. I had went and I purchased it and I fell in love with it. But when I seen it for $10, I was like, I need to get it because I need a second one. I don't want it to run out. I don't want to run out and not have it. So I went ahead and purchased this. So yeah, guys, that is it. That's my small little shopping collective haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe once again. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. See you on the next one. Bye.